learners. Today's learning target is I can use tallies to collect data. Yesterday we used a number line for addition. Today we're going to use that skill of drawing tally marks to collect data on this page. Find, tally, and graph. This can be found in your distance learning box in the paperwork folder. I'll show you how to do it. To do this page, we're going to follow these 3 steps in order. We're going to find pictures, tally the number, and then graph it. So if we look over at our tally chart, it's asking us how many of each of these pictures we can find in the box up above. So we're going to look for each picture and tally the number we count. Let's start with these big maple leaves. How many big maple leaves can we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted 5 maple leaves. Now I'll tally it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door right there. Next, we're going to look for this little aspen leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 6, so I will draw 6 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6. Now we're going to count buckets of leaves. How many buckets of leaves can we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 buckets of leaves. Let's count up 7 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7. Now I'm going to stop there. You'll do the same thing for the scarecrow and the rake, but I'm just doing my example, so I'll stop there. And now I'm going to show you how to take your tally marks and use them to create this graph. Let's start with this maple leaf here. I'm going to use red to show my maple leaf count. So I've got 5 tallies, 5 maple leaves. I'm going to show that on this bar graph. Here's my maple leaf. I'll color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll do my aspen leaves in green. And I don't have numbers to help me this time. Now I just have to count the boxes. So I'm at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that lines up with that 6. So it must be right. I'm going to color in. Notice that my bar of 6 is a little higher than my bar of 5. That makes sense. Now I'm going to do my bucket of leaves. We'll use blue for that one. And I have 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, all the way to 7 on my bar graph. And I'm wondering now, are there going to be more scarecrows or fewer scarecrows? And what about rakes? That's for you to figure out. You'll count up each object, tally it here, and graph it along the side. Does that make sense? Now it's your turn. You're going to count up the objects in the box, draw your tally marks to complete the tally chart, and then turn those tallies into a bar graph. Our learning target today is I can use tallies to collect and show data or information. I hope that you enjoy using your skill of tally marks. When you're all done with your tally marks page, I want you to pop over to this next video and I'm going to show you how to start your ST Math adventure. So tally mark page first and then come on back to check that out. You got this, learners. You're doing good. Bye-bye.